Hey guys, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to review this today. So this is nothing to do with Nerf guns because not everything has been Nerf guns. And not everything has been Nerf related. Anyways, I got this over at Dollar Tree and I got this today. Um, so this is just a random toy rocket launcher. It's called Jumbo Rocket, and it launches this from rocket. You put like a right about here, and you pull back and blast it. It's pretty good. I like the range of it. I like the performance, and yeah. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace out.